They used to hate and kill us, but kids learned to fear us. On the streets they gave us, respect they wanted to be us. TV they tried to see us, so speakers didn't want to hear us. Magazine they wanted to read us, and people they wanted to keep us. Incarcerated Jesus, come to love and save us. The killer can't see us.
I screamed, right? I screamed at you. I screamed it every time I screamed.
I actually like his lyrics.
I know that the guy is good. The guy is good. Like, he takes a lot of talent. Stage presence, he has it. Lyrically, dance craft, man, I can go on.
There was this artist who performed. Who is this guy? Mark Nenimas.
It's still yeah, he's still the show, perfect.
Bonge ba perform they super, but yeah, he's excellent.
He was doing things like.
So I want to show you something real quick. Yo, coach. Stop the hate, cause you wish you had my name. That hope you met analyst, nigga, respond the whole day. You wind up, little fame, but you wish you had my ring. My aim and my game when they resist in my face. Thinking I'm ambulance, running up with shit on the canvas. That prep will never be up. Here every recording cannabis, niggas injecting chemicals. Ended up in cannibals, don't ever complain a second pose and laughing genitals. It's just a bunch of friends, thinking that you're generals. Animals, spinning the planet, thinking you're better than you don't know that it's not. If in a skeletal rapping your whole mind, but you not. If in a skeletal you know my shit is beautiful, juvenile, indisputable, one of the kind of usual, irreplaceable, individual, I'm original. It's 2016, I've been rapping for 15 years, still chasing my dreams, see myself on TV, yes. Lyrical machine, but see my body's convenient. I'm shining my best elite, or maybe it's literally the best that you've ever seen. No one can do it like me, who's standing you from back to back from seas. I'm blessed to see, I'm treat the beast like react and draw every hope you can see. No, don't want it to be, but if you keep nigga, let it be. Gonna get to the my facts. Where we get to the facts. Gonna get to the my facts. Yeah, whenever, whoever, no matter the weather or terror. Please don't put the street, but keep the car to zero. See down and take a snapshot before the car right to that. When they come, it's just wait for you to die. Thinking they never, never. No one can see you never. I'm your favorite rapper. You are the rapper. Stop the rest of the rest. I'm a soul collector. When I rap, you can never. Take you in and better. Random. Yeah, who can say that? Come on. Yeah, who can say that? When I keep telling my facts, it's a yeah, who can say that? Because it's a me telling my facts. It's the Baba yeah, who can say that? But I can tell my facts. Come on. Yeah, who? But I can tell my facts. It's a yeah, who can say that? Yo, check it out. Shout out to my brother.
Shout out,
MOT for the 720. Hey, bro, this is Mazda.